Get the fuck out of here. I'm fucking scared of shit. Who's in there? Taking a dump?
Yeah.
Bro, how does it feel? Bro, does it feel good? Brody.
What?
Does it feel good?
Shut up!
Alright, well, bye, asshole.